Greetings, everyone. Today, I'm excited to guide you through the process of retrieving deleted photos from Snapchat's My Eyes Only feature. If you've ever encountered this issue, fret not, as I'll walk you through the steps to resolve it. Firstly, launch your Snapchat application. Then, navigate to your profile by tapping on the icon in the top left corner. Next, click on the gear icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you spot the I Need Help option, and tap on it to proceed. Under the Support section, continue scrolling until you find the Contact Us option. Click on it to initiate the contact process. Once the contact page is loaded, scroll down again and select I Need Help with a Snapchat feature. Scroll further down and choose Memories, followed by clicking on Yes. You'll then be prompted to specify that you require assistance with My Eyes Only. At this stage, you can either read the provided information or simply proceed by tapping Yes, Still Need Help. This action will direct you to a form to submit your request. Fill in your username, email address, and a description of the issue. You can use a standard request like, please help me recover my Eyes Only files, or personalize it according to your situation. Once you've provided the necessary details, hit the submit button and await assistance from the customer service team. If you found this tutorial helpful, show your support by leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you in our future tutorials.